We're at Area 52, Dana Creech's house, and this is our first ride day today, so hopefully it goes pretty good.
Scale of 1 to 100, how excited are you?
Probably 100, because this place is always fun once you, every time up here.
What's your favorite section so far?
I kind of like this one and then the double over
This is the elevator. It's one of the most famous jumps out here. And I never hit it before on a big bike, but I'm assuming it's probably like 4th on it or 3rd pin. So I'm just gonna hit it kind of fast on the start and we should be all right.
Tiger's blood and bubblegum.
Bubblegum, there you go.
All the kids are screaming for ice cream.
Look, I ain't cleaning.